Okay guys, hi and welcome back. Welcome to the last video for the typography. So here in the code we will build this part. So here in the code I will cancel that. Okay, and here I have DL, the class of row. Okay, DL with a class of col small 3. In here, description, lists. Okay, let's see what we have here first. When I reload the page, I got this here. We just have a problem here, but it is okay. Okay, after this part I have DD with a class of call small 9. Here I can make a description, list is perfect for defining terms. So here I got this. Okay, after this part I have so we know the difference now between the DL and the DD. If you want to make it in a one row, here I can make a DT with a class of col small 3, and here I will write the same as they wrote. I don't know what this means. Okay, now we got this in a bold, and here again DD with a class of col small 9, and here P with hello world, because they wrote I don't know that language. I think it is Spanish or something like that. Hello world. Okay, here I have hello world, and here I can make another paragraph. I am a web designer. Okay, I got this here. Here I have all of this. Let's move on. Here I can make a DT with a class of okay, call small 3. Here I can write as they wrote, Maliswada Porta. I will try to say it in a Spanish if it is a Spanish. What? Maliswada Porta, I think. I'm not sure. So here I have dev with a class of call. DD with a class of call SM9. Okay, and here I have I can write here. I can make the same, so I can copy this part. Let's see what we have here when I reload. Here I got this. Great. After this part I can make this one. So here I have where. Okay, just a moment please. After the DD I have DT with a class of call small 3, and here I can make another class here of okay, here text translate. Okay, so here I can make anything blah blah blah, or I can make it translated. Okay, here I have translated. Great. And okay guys, here we go. I can make DD. So here DD with a class of call small 9. Okay, here I can make okay the same as they wrote. They wrote too much. I will just take one. Okay. So here I have this word which I don't know its meaning. Okay. After this part, I can add DT. So here you know when I can add the DT or the DD. DT with a class of col small 3. Here I can make nesting. So here I have the DT. Okay, after this part I can make a DD with a class of col small 9, and here I can make a DL with a class of row, and here DT with a class col small 4, and here nested. And again I can make a DD, but first let's see what we have. Here I have the nested here. Here I can make a DD with a class called small 8, and here blah blah blah, because I cannot understand this language. So here I have blah blah blah. Okay, great. Now we are done with the typography. In the next video we will keep going. We will move to the code. If you wanna share a blog, so you can do like that. You can copy this. You can type this instead of removing this. Okay? Okay. This is okay for this video. From the next video we have a new video for the code. I do not think it will take too long. Just one video, I think. So good luck and have fun.